Hello everyone, I am Dr. Karthika from Department of Biomedical Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. In previous video, we have discussed about the input devices of virtual reality and the uses of input devices in virtual reality. And now we are going to discuss about trackers in virtual reality. What is the use of trackers here? Why do we need trackers in virtual reality? Actually, we know that virtual reality, it provides a real world experience with the help of elements like virtual input devices as well as output devices. With the help of this input and output devices, the user can interact with a virtual world. Actually, it should be mapped with real world. It should act as real world. For example, virtual reality tourism, virtual reality in education, and virtual reality biomedical robots, virtual reality in surgery, virtual reality in therapy. This gives a real world experience, real world simulations with the help of virtual reality elements. Here, why do we need trackers? What is the purpose of trackers here? Actually, virtual reality should map real world with a real world. So we need to track the time, we need to track the place, we need to adjust the time sequence as per the real world. So we need to track each and every moment of real world and real world. It is virtual world. So we have to incorporate a highly like high accuracy, high output devices, trackers for better output. See here, in previous way we have discussed about these. And what is the use of trackers? Same thing. Why do we need trackers in virtual reality? Because while coming into AR and VR part, trackers, GPS, which are under augmented reality, the intelligent devices are under augmented reality. Then how do we incorporate that AR simulations, AR intelligent in VR? Why do we need that? Actually, see here, trackers is a special purpose hardware to measure the real time change in a 3D object position and orientation. Trackers measure the motion of a system in a fixed time of coordinates. Here, virtual objects have 6 degrees frame. Here we have 3 translations, 3 rotations, and here a roll rotation around z axis, because we have 3 axes, x, y and z. X for pitch and y for yaw and z for roll. Based on this 3 axis, pitch, yaw and roll, we can map a real world coordinate with virtual world. Okay, here we have an example 3D magnetic sensor in HMD. We know that very well. What is HMD? HMD is here head mounted display. Here, see here in this picture we have LCD screens for display, and we have optics for sensing purpose, and we have speakers, receivers and transmitters. From transmitter we can track the object position and orientation. And also we have 3D sound generator for giving better sound experience in virtual world, and we have video generator for both eyes, for left eye as well as for right eye. So the main elements includes LCD screens for display, and we have a transmitter and receiver. In the transmitter part we have a tracker and separate sound generator and video generator for both eyes, both left eye as well as right eye. Okay, here without this head tracker, the image, the sound cannot change to match the head posture. So we require tracking accuracy of images greater than sound. Okay, here what is usually tracked in trackers? How it will be tracked? Here we have body tracking like head, hand and fingers, torso, feet, and group of people. Here we have direct as well as indirect tracking. In indirect tracking, using physical objects and physical elements to track the platforms as well as the one entire area, a particular area can be tracked with the help of this indirect tracking. And how it will be tracked? Here we use the technologies like electromagnetic, optical, ultrasonic, inertial, and mechanical. Mechanical we have two types. One is old type, another one is new type, and also we have hybrid optical, hybrid ultrasonic, and inertial trackers. And we have tracker characteristics. We have measurement rate, readings per second, and sensing latency, sensor noise and drift, measurement accuracy, measurement repeatability, resolution, tethered or wireless, work envelope, and sensing degradation. Okay. In the next video, we'll discuss about tracker performance parameters. Thank you. Thank you for watching.